I'm Caroline. I'm a student at Loyola, and I am going to be helping you with some math problems today called Singapore math. And what's special about Singapore math is that you make diagrams to explain the problem. So if someone could call in, that would be great. And if you could help me with this math problem that I have here. Let's take a look at it. Okay. So my problem says that Larry has 15 pairs of shoes, and I have 6 more pairs than him. How many pairs do we have together? It looks like we have a caller who can help me with this. Hi, caller. What's your name?
Giovanni Salinas from Gaudi Elementary School.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for calling. Are you going to help me with this problem today? Okay, so our problem says that Larry has 15 pairs of shoes, and I have 6 more pairs than him. So the first thing we're going to draw is his pairs of shoes. And for Singapore math, we use diagrams. So I'm going to draw a box that shows 15. And then if I want to show how many pairs of shoes I have 6 more than him. So do you have any idea how many pairs of shoes I have?
21?
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Because I have 15 plus 6, which is 21. Good. So 21 shoes for me and 15 shoes for Larry. Now, let's add up these numbers, okay?
Okay.
So what is 15 plus 21? We can start with this side. We can start with 5 plus 1. What is that? 5 plus 1?
Is 6.
Perfect. And then 1 plus 2?
2.
1 plus 2?
2.
Well, we're adding them, so that would be multiplying.
Oh, 3. 3.
Perfect. Awesome. So we have 36 pairs of shoes together. Do you understand how we did that?
Yes.
Awesome. Are you ready to try a much harder one?
Yes.
Okay. This one is going to involve fractions, so it's going to be really fun. Okay. This one says that 1/4 of Ellen's savings is equal to 1/3 of Fiona's savings. If their total savings is $70, how much is Ellen's savings? Okay? And do you understand about fractions? If I were to draw 1/4, that would be, and I'm going to use a box to show my amount. And this is 1/4. So we're going to divide this up into 4 pieces. And we know that this amount, 1/4, is going to be equal to 1/3 of Fiona's, which means that Fiona has this many. Okay. And how much do they have together? Can you find it in the problem? How much money they have together? Their total savings?
85?
Oh, well, I mean, right here in the problem, it says that their total savings
70.
is
70?
70. Perfect. So that means that we have a total of 70. And then can you help me count up these boxes? 1, and then can you count the rest of them?
2. 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. And then 5, 6, 7, right?
6, 7.
Exactly. Good. So we're going to divide 70 by 7.
10.
Yes, perfect. Really good. So that means that each of these boxes is worth 10. Thank you so much. I have another caller. I appreciate you helping me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye. Hi, caller. What's your name?
Jocelyn?
Hi, thank you for calling. Are you going to help me finish this problem about Ellen and Fiona's savings?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so my friend before just helped us figure out how much each box is worth. So if we want to find out how much Ellen's savings is, then we're going to take this 10 and we're going to multiply it times the number of boxes that we have here. So can you help me do that? We're going to do...
Okay.
So how many boxes do we have here? We have 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. Okay, so can you do 4 times 10 for me?
40.
40. Perfect. So that means that Ellen has $40 as her savings. That's our answer. Very nice. Do you understand how we did that?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. And now we have another problem to do. This one's going to be fun. It's going to also involve fractions. So this problem says that Jack had 480 students at his school. 4/5 of the boys is equal to 4/7 of the girls. How many more girls are there than boys? And this is Singapore math, so that means that we're going to be drawing out a diagram. All right, we first have let's draw the boys, how many we have for that. I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I'm going to divide it up into 5 pieces. Draw another one in there. Okay, is that good? Is that 5? Okay, this is 5, perfect. And now we're gonna do 4/7 next. And that is 4 out of 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how we have 5 boxes for the girls, and we have 5 boxes for the boys and 7 boxes for the girls. So I'll write this here. Okay, 5 and 7. Now we know that 4/5 is going to be equal to 4/7. So we know that this amount is equal to this amount. And we know the total number of students here, which is 480. So if we have 480 students, what we need to do is divide 480 by the total number of boxes. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There we go. And so we're going to do 480 divided by the total number of boxes, which is 12. I'm hoping that someone can call in and help me work out this problem. That would be awesome. I would love a volunteer to help me do this division. If you could do 480 divided by 12. It's a pretty tough one, but let's see if we can get any callers. Then I'll show you the number one more time. The number is 312-738-1060. Call in and help me with this problem, please. That would be wonderful. All right, and so our next step of the problem is going to be to divide these. And we find out that each box is going to be equal to 40. Oh, it seems like we might have a caller coming, which would be great. We have 480 divided by 12 is 40. That means that we know how much each box is worth. And I want to find out how many more girls there are than boys. And again, the number is 312-738-1060. Call in and help us on Math Matters. Okay. Our next step is going to be to find out how many more girls there are than boys. And it looks like we have 2 more boxes of girls than we have boxes of boys. So this means that if each box is worth 40, and we have 2 of them, we're going to do 40 times 2. Oh, we might have a caller. I'm very excited. Okay. I'm very excited because someone has called in and is going to help me with this problem, I believe. So the question that we're working on is 40 times 2. So here we are. Hi, what's your name?
Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. Thank you so much for calling. Are you going to help me figure out the rest of this problem?
Yes.
Awesome. You rock. Okay, so we have 2 more boxes for the girls than the boys. And we're trying to figure out how many more girls there are than boys. Now, we know that each box is worth 40, okay? And
Okay.
how many more boxes are there here than there are here? If this one is 7 and this one is 5. 2, perfect.
Two.
So then that's exactly right. So then we're going to do 40 times 2. And can you help me solve what that is?
80.
80. Awesome, awesome job. 80. So that means that we have right here 80 more girls than boys. That's the solution to our problem. Really, really good. Thank you for calling. And we can also check our answer key. I don't know if you saw the other couple of problems that we did, but here's our answers. We figured out about 36 pairs of shoes, $40 belonging to Ellen, and 80 more girls than boys. So thank you very much, Daniel, for helping me. And now my friend Janice is going to be doing a really fun math game with you. So stay on the line, okay? She'll work on that with you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let's see.